Hello everybody, welcome back to Crosstourer Tony. In this video we're going to fit the radiator guard. This is the guard that I'm going to be fitting. It's the Beowulf, made in England. You can see that. It's made of stainless steel. It's not going to rust. As you can see, it's already pre-curved to the shape of the front of the radiator. I don't know if that's any good for you. Can you see that now? It's yeah, there. See, that's it's got a curve made into it so it doesn't rub on the radiator. First of all, you're going to need to remove these two screws. 1, 2. There are two little Honda pop rivets that press in and pull out there. One there, one there. 2 more screws here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 screws and 2 pops at the bottom. Okay, those 4 screws are out. I've already taken the 2 springs out. Now let's go and pull the cowling forward. Simply just pull these apart. Be careful, there's a little spacer washer at the back. It'll probably drop down. Here it comes. Up, there it goes. Don't lose these little spacer washers. They've got to go back behind the plastic. So this is the back of the radiator guard, and you can see Beowulf have placed some stiff foam in strategic places so as it doesn't touch the radiator. The radiator guard, protection guard, doesn't rub on your radiator fins. But stay with me and I'll show you a tip at the end, what I've done. Now you can also see it just clips on with these clips. Just clips over the top of the radiator, and there's 2 screws at the bottom that where those pins were. Beowulf have supplied 2 stainless steel nut and bolts, if you want to call it, to go in the bottom, so they're not going to rust either. So we just pull this away a little bit, slide in our radiator protection very gently, and we clip those clips we saw earlier over the top of the radiator. We'll zoom in there so you can see this. Now you can see that just clips, drops over the top. There's already a nice large gap there, not touching the radiator at all. Now the fun part is putting all this back together with the little washers at the back. There, I've got that one in place. Let's hope it stays there as I try and screw it all back together. There we go. It's a nice, quick, easy job there. Just making sure that the top is still in place. Move up the bottom one. No, I don't have a torque wrench. Just do them up wrist tight. Now we're going to pop in the nut and bolt that have been supplied by Beowulf. Gotcha. Right, that's got that started. And now with the small, oof, dear me, 6mm, 8mm spanner at the back to hold it. It's a nylock nut, so it's not going to vibrate loose. There we go. That's nice and tight. It's not going to go anywhere. So there you go, guys. So that was pretty painless. Here's my tip. I said I was going to show you something towards the end. Take a couple of little bits of sponge and slide them in the back of the radiator as well to give a little bit more added protection. Can you see that's moving a little bit? So this bit of sponge at the back is going to stop all that. Stop the vibration. So there we go, guys. The sponge is behind there. Flexes a little bit, which is okay, but that sponge is going to stop any rubbing on the radiator. Radiator protection fitted. Takes about 10 minutes. Pretty easy job. Over to you, fellas. See you in the next video. Don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel to catch all the latest videos from me, Crosstourer Tony. Bye.